And here we come now to our first nativity scene. You will see a wild ostrich, looking completely retarded. Oh no! The hunter has arrived and he is dead now. Let us get a closer look. It looks as if he is T-posing. Oh no, he's got away! We now see that the ostrich is no match. Wait.
The hunter is
Here we come now. It looks like a storm may be brewing, but it appears on the other side that there's a beautiful blue and pink, almost cotton candy-esque sky. No idea what a baseball field is doing here. Unless, I don't know. Oh yes, now we see some woods over in the edge. Oh yeah, what is that? Birch, I think? Maybe solid oak, something like that. Oh, what have we here? Oh dear. Cut.
Looks like here we have a wild giraffe, just being stupid. As you can see, it's walking very, very weirdly. It might have a broken leg. And as you can see, he keeps on walking. And what is that? An inchworm. What is he going to do? Walk by or attack it? Oh my. The inchworm appears to have tripped the giraffe and is now feasting on its giraffe flesh. And what is, oh my god, it's an ostrich. It looks like it's just a big old feast. And oh my god, is that a hunter? That's one of the most vicious animals in the whole entire safari. And it looks like every animal is dead besides the hunter. As we can see, it's a wild Mexican jumping the border. Oh no. It looks like we have a wild retarded Saurus Rex eating on the Mexican. And what is this that's coming to our left here? It's a wild jumping butterfly. Oh my goodness. It just clotheslined the Minotaurus 6. And it looks like we have an ostrich now feasting on the wild butterfly. And now the hunter, as it always is, the top of the food chain. What? Oh, looks like the wild Mexican has defeated the pterodactyl. Oh, juke! Oh, but he's no match for the wild snapping turtle. And the butterfly has now struck. Oh my! There is another one. The ostrich is now attacking the butterfly. Oh crap! I got dirt in my face. And it looks like the wild hunter is now feasting on the ostrich, taking us back to its home where he can feed his children.